over that rush, make you crazy over my touch. But it's just a supercut of us. Supercut of us. Oh, it's just.
Hello, beautiful people. It is a Friday and I have no plans. Yeah, I actually have class today. It's like pretty sad. I'm a nutrition major if you guys didn't know, and this class I'm taking is called Food Service Operations, and it's basically every Friday we go to like different locations to check out their kitchen. I'm not gonna bring you guys with me because that's a little like disrespectful to bring like a big camera as I'm like technically in class. Right now it is 8:30 and I'm thinking maybe I should like make breakfast or something before I go because I am definitely gonna be hungry if I'm like in there in a kitchen surrounded by food and me not being able to eat it. So I should prepare for that. TMI, I'm also on my period. When I'm on my period, my appetite's just like weird. Like sometimes I'm really hungry and I could literally eat more than anyone around me, and then other times I'm just like not feeling food at all. I'm like not about it. I usually wake up pretty hungry when I wake up, and like as of right now I'm really not. I don't know, I like don't want to like screw myself over if like I'm starving in the kitchen later on, so I want to eat something. Also my hair, like I know it looks like very clean and like sleek right now, but it's because my hair is so gross. Yeah, and then I decided to just like sleek it back as much as I could, and I'm doing a very fresh faced makeup look today just because I want to be like, you know, like clean and pretty. I wanted to share you guys like the lip color I wore because I actually really like it. Yes. So this is like a very nude brownish pink kind of color and I'm super feeling it. So I used this NYX matte lip cream in Abu Dhabi, and then I used one of their lip pencils and it's in coffee, and I just like lined it over the lip cream. So it's 8:30. I have like 30-40 minutes before I have to go and I'm like really not feeling it. I'm really tired. I also don't know what I'm doing today, so this could be a very boring video, but I don't know. I wanted to bring you guys with me and like see what we're doing. Dang, guys. Oh my god, I look so professional. Wow, I could literally be a chef. I could be a chef. I could see me being a chef. So I set like maybe 8 alarms this morning. I don't know about you guys, but I kind of like to sleep. So yeah, that was my like 7th alarm. Also, like, can we just damn, I look good in a chef's coat. Okay, so I'm gonna make food. Should I make it in the chef's coat? No, I'm not gonna make it in the chef's coat. People don't like coffee, but I love it. My oats are still cooking. I'm honestly like never make steel cut oats, but I was really craving it this morning. The process to make it, I'm kind of just like adding more and more liquid as it's cooking. I like wanted to do like apple cinnamon, so I'm gonna add a ton of cinnamon and maybe some nutmeg and brown sugar, and it's gonna be real good. Yeah, so it's like still cooking right now.
And they like send us a list and they send them the weird.
Oh, Sarah, you're so dark.
How many are you taking out?
Thanks, I've been using the tea.
Is it just
Make it lighter.
You
You use the palm of your hand as a meter, and it's an 18% gray meter, and then when you take it away, it's supposed to make it lighter. For example, this is okay lighting, but if we did something where like the sun's behind us, so we look like a silhouette, like you could use the palm of your hand to meter, or you can use like a gray card, and you put it up close and your camera focuses on it, and then it makes everything like 18% gray.
Oh, what?
It's really cool.
I always wanted to learn how to do that.
I'm gonna learn today.
I know. So I'm back from my tour at the middle school. It was super cute. I almost got there late, but I ate a ton of oatmeal and it was really good. And I made a big pot of coffee, as you guys saw, and I actually didn't have time to drink it. But Sarah, what are you doing? Sarah got a cup, so that's fine. I love to share.
I'm Amanda's biggest fan.
So right now I'm just chilling here with my roommates. Right now I'm just like editing a photo for my next video, which will probably be the video before this one. But yeah, I mean, it's like pretty chill. I have to like respond to emails and finish uploading a video, and then I will get back to you guys on what I'm gonna do next today. I'm thinking doing something fun. I don't know what exactly.
No, we were up a little late. Oh my God.
You were up a little late.
Yeah.
Seemed fun.
Yeah.
I could go to Trader's or something and like get those like snacks we were talking about and do like kind of like a taste test. That'd be super fun.
I think we do that like tonight before Bachelor if we watch that.
Yes.
I miss you, yeah, I miss you.
I'm currently listening to the 50 Shades soundtrack and it is so good. Ugh, but you guys, I am finally done working on my computer. I was on my laptop for like 2 hours. Also, with the oatmeal I made in the morning, I kind of doubled my recipe because I wanted to have the same breakfast for tomorrow morning, but I'm eating the other half for lunch because it was really good. The coffee that I made earlier, I made like some iced coffee. So I tend to reuse my food, but I brought you guys into my room because we got some work to do. Yeah, we do. My room's a little messy, a little bit. I honestly hate it when it's like this because I don't feel comfortable. I feel like gross and I just like need to deep clean it right now. So I'm gonna jam to music right now and clean my room, and then after, I think I might go to the gym. So that's the plan right now. Let's clean. You always have to find like the best music. I'm ready.
And even when the night hits, all of the lights have got us running. We ain't got to be reckless, but you'll never stop it coming.
Alright you guys, I am dressed and all ready to go for the gym. So I just decided to wear the same shirt I was wearing, and I put on some leggings and some workout shoes. Yeah, I'm excited. I haven't gone to the gym in a long time, so I really don't know what I'm gonna do. I did not think I was gonna work out that much, but for some reason, when we got there, we felt super motivated.
We started with 25 minutes on the elliptical.
Yeah, that was like 25 minutes.
I'm never sure if I'm gonna go by like time or by miles, so I like kept like alternating until you said you were tired.
I thought we were gonna do 15, and then like after 20 minutes, I was like, maybe she's gonna go for 25. So we did the Stairmaster because she mentioned going on the treadmill, but I really can't run right now.
You gotta be in the right mood.
And we were on the Stairmaster for how long?
12 minutes exactly. Thanks for asking. 15, right?
I think I did 12. No, wait. I did 15. Okay, yeah. I like kept on switching on and off between like the 7 level and then 11. So I'd like go back and forth. I started doing the free weights and I was on the mat. And I did a few workouts and I felt really awkward to record myself doing them because there were like a lot of girls around me. We are probably gonna shower because I feel so gross right now. I'm like super sweaty, and then maybe go to Trader Joe's and get some snacks, and we're gonna have like a really chill night tonight. This is actually my first time trying this bread. What hummus is this one? Oh my god, I'm so excited.
Oh, not toasted? Oh, bold.
I'm on
bread in the truest sense.
I'm just so hungry right now. I told myself in the beginning of the year I was not gonna buy that much bread. So, I don't know if your guys' Costco carries this, but our Costco carries this bread called like La Brea. They are the best baked breads ever. Yeah, so I haven't bought bread in a long time. So, Katie right now, being nice, has just made my day. We're doing a Trader Joe's haul. We got the party going.
Oh, I don't look good, girl. Why are you doing this to me?
I mean, I don't look good either, so.
Oh, Amanda says that and then she looks fabulous and is like, yeah.
I look fabulous.
You need to look a little
Quote from Maddie. I don't know what hummus to get. This is my other roommate, Sarah.
Hello. How is everyone?
She's also vegan. So far, all I have is hummus. I'm gonna get something to eat my hummus with. Oh my god. Yes. Dang. Wow. Alright. It is really cold, so I'm gonna see you guys at home.
Increase your libido with plant-powered products.
Greasy. It's like it's coming out, but Maddie, honey.
How could we open this? Okay, I'm gonna end this vlog. Hey guys, it is the end of the night and I am in my pajamas. There's a few girls outside. We're like all having a good time. We're eating a lot of crackers and hummus, and it's just like, I don't know, like a really good girls night, which is something that I really needed because this week has been just like stressful with school and YouTube, and it's just like nice to like relax with the girls. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I had a lot of fun filming it. If you guys want to see more videos like this, then please give this video a thumbs up. I really want to like see how you guys feel about these kinds of videos, and also subscribe to this channel if you're not subscribed already because it would make my heart melt. But yeah, that is basically it. I love you guys a ton and I will see you in my next video. Bye!